mankind has never known a system or a philosophy or a religion that achieved the equality between various societies, races, and culture as much as the religion Islam in actual did. And equality in Islam is based on the fact that we all came from the same origin, that we all come from the same place. Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala states in the Holy Quran that, O mankind, we have created you from a male and female and made you into nations and tribes that you may know one another. And similarly, Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala states that, O mankind, be dutiful to your Lord who created you from a single origin, which is Hazrat Adam alayhi salam. So Allah Tabarak wa Ta'ala states that we all came from the same place. It is a hadith of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, that the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, is reported to have said that no Arab is superior over a non-Arab, and no non-Arab is superior over an Arab, and no red person is superior over a black colored person. So the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, thousands of years back highlighted the concept of equality and made sure through his principles and gave us this advice that no black person is different from a red or a white person, and no non-Arab is different from an Arab, except in terms of piety, the one who worships the God more. So Hazur alayhi salatu wassalam, the beloved Prophet, peace be upon him, highlighted this fact thousands of years back. In the time of the well-known philosopher Aristotle, he observed the society into two factors. He highlighted that the society is divided into two sections. The first being of the Greek and the second being of the slaves. He highlighted that the Greek are the wealthy people who have the intellect to manage a society, while the barbarians are the people who have the physical strength, the slaves who manage the duties that are given to them by their elite class, by the Greek and then the Romans as well. So this was the philosophy of Aristotle, that he looked upon the society as one being the rich people and the others being the poor people, the Greek and then the barbarians. That was the philosophy of Aristotle, and then that was followed on by the Greeks and the Romans, and then eventually it was followed on further. While this was the philosophy of Aristotle, who was just a few hundreds of years back, the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, while in his lifetime, which was thousands of years back, the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, stated the precise definition of equality. He stated that no non-Arab is superior than an Arab, and no Arab is superior over a non-Arab, and no red person, which is a white person, is superior over a black person. These are the precise definitions that are being upheld by various nations and countries today in terms of defining the concept of equality, and this was defined hundreds of years back by the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. And the Western definitions, which came from philosophers like Aristotle, they were foundationed on, their structure was based on the definition put forward by Aristotle, who looked upon the society into two different sections, the one being the Romans, which were the rich people and the intellectual people, and the others being the barbarians, who were the strong people in terms of physical strength, so and were poor. So this was the comparison Obviously, the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, cannot be at any time contrasted with any person whatsoever. His personality is unrivaled and is unparalleled. He is a beauty that knows no bounds. The Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, is a beauty that is unrivaled in nature, which cannot be comprehended, which is not comprehensible, which is not we are not able to interpret that personality. Yet the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, precisely defined in his lifetime that equality is that a non-Arab cannot be superior over an Arab, and an Arab could not be superior over a non-Arab, and a white person cannot be superior over a black person. This is the message of Islam, which highlights the concept of love and harmony. Similarly, as per a hadith recorded, an event recorded in the blessed Bukhari Sharif, Hazrat Umar bin Khattab radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, the fourth Caliph of Islam, when Hazrat Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anhu witnessed that Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq radiyallahu ta'ala anhu paid and then freed Hazrat Bilal Habshi radiyallahu ta'ala anhu, the muazzin of the Prophet, Hazrat Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anhu knew that Hazrat Bilal used to be a slave. Yet the words of Hazrat Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anhu were that our master Abu Bakr set free our master Bilal. So Hazrat Umar bin al-Khattab radiyallahu ta'ala anhu not only called Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq, who was rich in terms of finances, his master, Hazrat Umar radiyallahu ta'ala anhu also termed Hazrat Bilal radiyallahu ta'ala anhu as his master, who used to be a slave before. So such were the concepts of equality enshrined in the religion Islam, and are still enshrined in the religion of peace, love and harmony, Islam.
Subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, and don't forget to like, comment and share this video.